My name is Glenda Roberts. I'm a kidney transplant recipient, and I have experience with in-center and peritoneal dialysis. Drug-induced kidney injury is important to me because we know very little about drug-induced kidney injury. And I would like to know that there are more biomarkers than just, say, creatinine that might be used to signal early injury so that we could possibly prevent further damage to the kidneys or prevent damage at all. As a person who has a transplant, I am very susceptible to any new drug that is introduced to my regimen. And I am very excited about the DIKI biomarker workshop, primarily because of the stakeholders that are present. The fact that we have representatives from the patient community, pharmaceuticals, academic research, and the regulatory agencies means that we have all of the stakeholders at the table. That will enable us to ensure that we hear all of the voices, all of the priorities, all of the concerns, and to generate more innovative ways that we can work together to identify new biomarkers, to identify new therapies and new treatments.